Nice view up here. It's hot for November. All right, welcome back to White Pine Woods. Today's project is we're going to get the rest of the roof done on the barn. My order came in for the 6 sheets that I need for the back. Plus we'll get the edges. I got to rip some down for the edge. And then get the trim on the edge. And then the ridge cap on. So that's the goal for today. Not much has been happening here lately. Still waiting for the framers to start the house. But the longer we wait, the more lumber prices come down. So we're not really pushing that issue. I went to go see them, I don't know, a week and a half ago, and they said they were about a couple of weeks out. So could have happened soon. I just got an email from the lumber company that said they're sending me a new quote with lower framing prices. So that's a very good sign, because as you know, the lumber prices shot up through the roof, and I picked the wrong time to build a house, I guess. But they're on the downside. They're coming back down, so fingers crossed they'll come back down to maybe where they were before all this happened. So thought I'd turn the camera on, take you guys for the ride today. Hopefully we'll get this roof on, and then we're having a nice run of weather here in New England. It's the first week in November, when it's usually we could be anywhere from the 30s to the 50s normally. We're in the upper 60s, pushing over 70 this weekend. So I want to take this opportunity, get this roof done, get this project behind me, and I don't have to worry about it, and then I can move on to some other things. So all right, enough rambling. I'll take you along and we'll see how much we get done. Still a little damp up there on the roof, so might let it dry out a little bit. Just marking out to pre-drill the holes. Gives you a nice straight line of screws on the roof. Just a little, makes it easier when you're up there to know where the screws go. Plus it looks a lot better when you're done, I think. So. Chris when I need him. This is Chris's job. Chris is working today. Gotta be a contortionist to do this job. Chris, you did a good job putting all this stuff up here for me and the rest of the roof. This is a pain.
Huh? I don't know if I had to lift it or if you could slide it over.
Close enough? I want you to line the ends of the... How come you...
To me. Stop. Perfect. Flush. There.
Want to put the black thing under it now, or you want to...
It's easy to put in this one.
What are you doing, Sadie? Yeah. Right here. I believe that's done. Okay, well, it took 2 days instead of 1, but it's how it usually goes. But the barn roof is done. We got all the side pieces in, the filler pieces. You saw us getting that done. We got the trim pieces up, the gable ends. And today we got the ridge cap on. And we filled in all the holes that we hadn't put a screw in yet. So there's better than 2,000 screws in this roof, so I'm pretty sure it's not going anywhere. But I tell you what, feels good to be done with that project. So Jen was here all day helping me. She was a big help because mostly I was rolling around on my belly and my side up there on the ridge especially. So I really couldn't have a tool belt on, so she was helping me put the ridge cap in place and handing me screws and getting tools for me because I was pretty much just laying there. So anyway, we were talking about what's next, what the next project is, again, the guys are going to be framing soon, so I'm going to be running that whole show, materials and all that stuff, so hauling lumber around for the guys. And but I think I'm going to try to get that chicken coop put back together, that shed that we moved. You saw in a previous video, we moved from the old house that we're going to use for the chicken coop. My son and I pretty much had to take 3 of the sides off just to lift it onto the trailer. So I'm going to put that back together, and then that'll just give us one more place to stuff this winter. Get that cleaned up before the snow flies, if we get any snow. Again, this place is 30 miles south of where we used to live, and it's 10 miles from the Atlantic Ocean, so we don't get a lot of snow down here, which is one of the reasons we're moving down here. We get a lot more snow back up where we lived. We were at a much higher elevation, so I can't tell you how many times in the last couple of years I'd plow snow all day up north of here where we lived, and then I'd come down here and there's nothing. So we're looking forward to that. But anyway, I'd like to get that cleaned up if snow comes, when snow comes. So that'll probably be the next video. Put a chicken coop together. God knows there's not enough chicken coop videos on YouTube, so I'll throw one up there. But anyway, thanks for watching the video. I really appreciate people watching. Sometimes I wonder why people watch, but I'm grateful that you do. So anyway, if you like our videos, hit the subscribe button, give the video a like, and share them with your friends. Leave me a comment. All these things really help the channel get more views and get more people on board and get more people to watch. So the more people watch, the more motivated I am to sit for 3-4 hours and edit a 15-minute video. So again, I just want to express my gratitude to you for watching, and everybody hang in there through these next few months. Things are looking up, I guess, and we'll see you next time from White Pine Woods. So long.